Yeah. um, yeah, of course, frustrated because it was a big game. It was a fantastic game for us, I think, against a good team. Uh, we played well. Good first half with good tempo, good intensity. Perhaps a little too 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 much some end-to-end without enough control on the game. Perhaps in the first half, we conceded this goal, the first goal, just before the break, and it was a shame, of course, because it was a good first half. Perhaps we can make just a little fall and commit a little fall at the beginning of the action. I think with a little more maturity, experience, we can manage better this goal. We come back. We come back in the second half. We more control of the game with quality, and we push this team to consider. I think more situation, more chances than them. It was interesting. It was normal for me to come back on the game with the goal of Jimmy, and after. You are not lucky about the second goal also, but yes, it's a big disappointment because I'm the feeling we played very well today in high level on the pitch with quality against a good team, against a good team also, and I think we deserved a different result at the end, and. We lost another time quarter final of Cup. This time in the extra time is harsh for my squad because they gave their best. And like the fan, and we didn't have the good result and the good reward at the end.
What has Casper said in the dressing room?
Normal. We cannot blame, of course, Casper after the second goal because he's fantastic since the beginning. He made a fantastic save any game. It's a collective defeat today. It just is, and nothing about Casper, of course. And yeah, it's a disappointment because it was a high level game today. And it was just details made the difference, I think, on the first goal because we lacked maturity, and second goal perhaps also same, and we have had a lot of chances, I think, and to come back another time during the extra time. Yeah, it's. But I'm proud about my player because they played very well. With consistency, with high level on the pitch, and fantastic attitude, and this is good. It's good that, because all this shows the progress of the squad, of the player, as they played very well. Any position, substitute also come inside with a good attitude. All this it's interesting if we can keep. This positive attitude, this quality on the pitch, and to finish stronger this season.
Does the fact that you would have played Southampton in the semi-finals make it even more disappointing for you?
Le fait que vous auriez joué contre Southampton la demi-finale, ça veut dire que vous êtes encore plus déçu?
No, just I'm disappointed about for my play because playing at this level against a great team is fantastic, and I think they dominated the game with more chances than Chelsea, and we deserve all the things. The support of our fans was fantastic also. All these people deserve another result, a different result at the end, I think. But it's a football, and today is harsh. But happy also about our performance, our collective performance, because all this shows the good progress, and this squad and this player continue to work hard and to make progress on the pitch, collective and with individual performance also, with the technical, the tactical. We perhaps just to find a little more clinical edge, because we have had these chances to win the game.
Lord, what did you make of just 1 minute of added time at the end of the match?
And the halftime?
At the end of extra time, just 1 minute was played.
Le fait qu'il y avait qu'une seule minute de temps supplémentaire à la fin du match.
Yeah, I think, of course, because they lost a lot of time, and it was just 1 minute, just 1 minute at the end. I think it was harsh. This also, perhaps 1 minute more was important to come back in the game and to have another chance. I think for me it was not just 1 minute. 1 minute, but today we have to respect, because it's a day for the referee.
You think
Is
Chelsea
it-
were time wasting?
Yeah, of course, but it's normal. It's normal. They tried to keep the result and to win time, comment on dit, gagner du temps.
Waste time.
To waste time is normal for a team, because they have a lot of experience, of course. But I think we can have other more time to try to come back, I think.
Okay.
Thank you.